Begin to serve God. Fill me with your fire of love. Fill me with your fire of love. Lléname con tu fuego de amor. I need your power in my life. Necesito tu poder en mi vida. I need your power in my life. Necesito tu poder en mi vida. You are the vine, I am the branch of the vine. My life flows from you. And because my life flows from you, mi vida fluye. Help me to love. Ayúdame a amar. Years back in this ministry, this structure was not. I said it again, the prophet's office was just down there. It was a Wednesday service. And after the service, people will come in to see him. There's the way that office was built. For instance, you are coming through this way. This is the entrance to the office. You come in, this is the office. But in this office, there's 2 rooms there. And there's something like this before you get to the room. So this is the prophet's office. You will walk in this way. Me being me, I hang here. And I'm watching. As people comes in. And a woman, I called her a woman. Because before she came to the synagogue, she was married. I don't know what happened to her marriage. Maybe she was divorced or whatever, I don't know. She was married. So she was a woman. And immediately she came and she knelt down. I am telling you this because I'm a witness. Please, sir, I am homeless. I don't have a place to stay. Fire engulfed our house. And the prophet was like this. In fact, I can tell you the clothes he wore that day. You know those Ghanaian clothes that has price? That was the cloth he wore that day. And he was listening to this lady. I was there watching. After listening to her, I said, okay, go and wait for me outside. She went back. And the shelter was given to her in this ministry. When she came in, she wanted to make me a friend. I said, no, this one cannot be my friend. Over the years, she tried to make me a friend. I said, you cannot be my friend because she doesn't know anything about me. Today, she can't say anything about me because she doesn't know me. And so, we began to live in the synagogue. I saw her kurukere. And I thank God that the prophet did not give it to her foolishness. Keep away from foolish people. Stay away from them. So that you don't become what they are. When her time came to leave the synagogue, she started. The prophet is this. The prophet is that. That and this. He has no wife. He has no child. I said, all those times that used to come to my tiny sitting room to come and tell me, this one happened. And I said, you don't know what is happening, no? This one happened. I said, I don't look at those things, though. In fact, I don't see them. Who was I? Who was I to you? Okay. But you know what? With all she has said in this word about Prophet TB Joshua, I'm expecting her to say one thing. Why did the prophet spat at you publicly in this church? Spat at your face publicly. You had a pastor talking. Touch me here. Touch me there. This is a woman that will say, come and touch my breast. She has boy. Oh, there's cramp. Come and pray for me. Stay away from foolish people.
My name is Siki Sibisi. I'm 38 years old. So, first, I was in Nigeria and I was chosen amongst people at the prayer night to say I need to stay there and be an evangelist for God. And I was not asked, but I was chosen and I was told I need to stay to be an evangelist for God. And because you are already, remember, they've created this scenario that being close to the man of God is a status call. Being close to him is a privilege. So automatically you've already infused in that vibe of, oh my God, I am the luckiest person. I had seen other girls from all over the world, from the UK, from Singapore, from everywhere. And again, there. So it made it look so beautiful and so easy for me to be there. And when I was in the church, um, obviously they knew that I could sing. The church that I came from in South Africa, I was in the worship team. But in Nigeria, they call it the choristers. So I became part of the chorister team. I was then brought closer with the three main lead singers, the three sisters, which is Anu, Anne, and Bosse. And I was part of the worship team there. If it's not worship that we're doing, I would be working in the admin department. When we're in the admin department, they would basically give you different chores to do.